Hi there guys, welcome to another Ross Perry Productions video. Within this video I'm going to show you the 3 ways you can open the boot on a Mitsubishi 380. This is a 2007 model, but they're all the same. So the first way, press the boot button on the key. Now if your key battery is flat, you apply the second way, which is you come into the glove box and you'll notice just up next to the metal hook there's another boot button, so you can give that a press. Now for the third way, we're going to go to the rear of the vehicle, into the back seats. We're going to fold down the armrest, fold down this plastic tray, just reach in and there's a hook just here. Give that a pull, and now I'll show you from the other side. And there you go, that's the 3 ways of opening a boot on a Mitsubishi 380. If you found this video helpful, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel.